Hi everyone, and welcome to this drip marketing presentation. My name is Brent Milner, and I'm a trainer at our Scottsdale office in Arizona. And today I'm going to show you how you can create drip marketing campaigns to nurture your leads and customers. Before we begin, though, let's just ensure that we're all speaking the same language and define what drip marketing is. The term drip marketing refers to a set of pre-designed marketing messages that you can send automatically on a schedule to your prospects and customers. A drip marketing campaign can be sent to a specific customer segment or triggered by the recipient's actions. An action might be somebody subscribing to your newsletter or even purchasing a product on your e-commerce site. You might hear drip campaigns referred to as automated email campaigns, autoresponders, nurture campaigns, or even lead nurturing, but all of these basically mean the same thing: sending automated marketing emails according to a predetermined schedule and based on predefined factors. It relates to the term drip feeding, which means to provide gradually and in small amounts. If you're looking for ways to improve your sales and marketing activities, drip campaigns could be a useful strategy to add to your repertoire. First, drip marketing makes you and your team more efficient, as automated follow-ups can augment or replace manual follow-ups. Your sales team won't waste any time educating leads about your product and service. Instead, a finely tuned drip campaign means that leads receive information automatically. Drip marketing also gives you the ability to provide timely responses to your prospects and customers. According to Capterra, nearly half of all sales are made by the person who gets in touch with a lead first. So, being able to send personalized and automated emails to your leads whenever they come in is essential. Drip marketing campaigns allow you to stay connected to your customer base and also keep interested prospects hooked in. If you're going to be using drip marketing for lead nurturing campaigns, here are a few common use cases. Subscription to your blog. So you may want visitors to subscribe to your blog so that they receive your latest blog articles automatically. A drip campaign here could help you automatically trigger emails to your blog subscribers whenever you post new articles. Managing and converting new leads. According to Gleanster research, 50% of qualified leads aren't ready to buy. That means that sectors with long sales cycles face huge challenges in keeping leads interested and moving them smoothly through the sales funnel. Drip marketing can help you manage your leads and move them down the sales funnel by providing relevant information at each stage of the funnel. And finally, abandoned shopping carts. According to Baymard Institute, 70% of shoppers will abandon carts at the checkout. Automated abandoned cart emails work to remind customers of items that they left in the cart, enticing them to come back to purchase what they are already so close to buying. Drip marketing not only helps with your prospect campaigns, but they also can benefit your customer management activities. In the instance of customer onboarding, a drip campaign can be used to onboard new customers to your product or service. A positive onboarding experience confirms that your customers made the right decision in choosing your business, and it helps your business to retain your customers. In the case of renewal cycles, studies show that it costs 6 or 7 times more to acquire new customers than it does to retain them. So it stands to reason that it's critical to the overall success of your company's growth efforts that you develop an effective renewal sales cycle. Implementing an automated renewal cycle will help your sales team be more efficient and ensure that you do not miss another customer renewal. If you're running customer events, whether it be a live event or an online event like a webinar, implementing a drip marketing campaign will allow you to send automated emails at various stages. Event campaigns usually include a confirmation email that's sent upon registration, and then a few reminder emails sent as the event date or time approaches. And finally, there's even a thank you email after the event is over. Now, I want to jump into Act Marketing Automation to demonstrate 2 of these use case scenarios. Let's say that I use Act Marketing Automation to manage subscriptions to my monthly blog. Visitors subscribe on a landing page that I've created, and then once they've subscribed, Act is going to add them to a group in the database which I've titled Blog Subscribers. This dynamic group then gets updated every time somebody provides their email address and clicks the subscribe button on my landing page. Here's how I can set up a drip marketing campaign to send out email reminders each month when my blog is posted. From Act Marketing Automation, I'm going to go to the Drip Marketing area, and then in the upper right corner, I'm going to create a new campaign. I'm going to title this campaign Blog Release. And then Smart Tags really help me to search for campaigns after I've created them. So I'm just going to put blog here. For the campaign template, I want this to be a marketing campaign. And for starters, let's just say that I have 3 blogs planned. So I'm going to choose 3 emails here, even though I can go back and add more to that later. Now for the groups area, I'm going to choose the group that I previously set up in Act, and it's called Blog Subscribers. And that's all there is to it on this screen. So I'll go to the Actions menu at the top and click Create. Now, Act Marketing Automation is going to create a workflow for my drip marketing campaign, complete with 3 email stages. Let's say that I plan to publish my monthly blog on the first Tuesday of each month. I'll go to the first arrow on my workflow. Currently it says that this is going to be sent out instantly, but I can choose an exact date and time to send out the email. I'll click the arrow, and instead of having it be a time interval, I'm going to choose specific date and time. Now I can just use the calendar to click the first Tuesday of the month, and even the clock button to maybe change the time to 1 p.m. After I make sure that the time zone is set to my specific time zone, I'll click Save. Notice the specific designation at the arrow now. All I have to do then is repeat this for the other 2 arrows, and I'll have these emails scheduled to send. Okay, now anyone who gets added to this campaign will only receive the upcoming emails as those dates arrive. They won't be sent any emails that were scheduled in the past. Of course, now my next step would be to go into each of these email steps and then craft the email. But I can do that closer to each of the send dates once I know exactly what I'm going to write. So this simple drip marketing campaign is ready to activate. Let's say that I want to do something else though. Let's say I want to create another drip marketing campaign that's based around nurturing a new customer. I want to set the campaign to begin as soon as I've received payment from someone who has purchased one of my products. But I only want this campaign to apply to new customers. I'm going to manage the distribution of this campaign by using the customers group in Act. So whenever anyone purchases something from me, they get added to this group automatically. And so as new customers get added to this group, I want Act Marketing Automation to add them to my campaign automatically. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to create a separate drip marketing campaign, and this one I'm going to call New Customers. For smart tags, I'm just going to create 3 smart tags here. One will be new, one will be customer, and the third one will be new customer, in case I ever search for those terms. For the campaign template, if I wanted to save some time, I could easily just copy a previous campaign that I've created. But for this exercise, I'm going to create a new one, and it's going to be a marketing type. The number of emails in this campaign will be 2 emails. The first email will be an immediate thank you for their purchase, and then the second one will arrive after a delay, and it will serve to introduce them to other products that we offer. For the list name field, I want to make sure I choose my customers group in Act. Now notice what it says underneath this. It says this campaign will monitor subscribers that are new to the list or that are removed from the list. If a subscriber is new to the list, then they will automatically be placed into this campaign. And that's exactly what I want to happen. So I'm going to go to Actions at the top and click Create. Now let's craft the first email. I want this email to look like a personal email that was sent from me from my Outlook. So I'm not going to dress it up with any images or layouts. It's going to be text only. I'll click that first email step, and then I'm going to choose to edit the email content, and I'll click Go. Now this is going to take me to the email template editor. But since I don't want to use a fancy template like this, I'm going to go to Actions and switch to a text version. All right, that's more like it. Now I can still use merge fields in this email. For example, I'll start by selecting the merge fields dropdown, and I just want to select the customer's first name. So I'll look up first name, and I'll click that. And then it puts that field inside my email template. Now all I have to do is just type hello before it, and it'll grab their first name from my Act database. After that, I can write the email using any other merge fields that I want. And once I'm finished crafting that email, I'll just go to my Actions menu again and click Save and Return. Now, as you can see, this first email is set to be sent out instantly as soon as new contacts are added to my customers group in Act. But for the second email, I'm going to create a 2-week delay first. So I'll click that arrow, and instead of having it wait 1 day, I'm going to change that to 2 weeks. And maybe I don't even want to send emails on weekends, so I'll check this box too. Now for this second email, I'm going to edit it, and I want to draw everyone's attention to a new product that we're releasing in a few months. So I've already crafted an email template. I'm going to import that template, and I know that it's titled New Product Release. So I'll click the Import button to bring that template into my layout. Now this email contains a link to a video recording of one of my new products, and this is the key to the second email. I want my audience to click this video link, and when they do, I want to automatically assign a sales call complete with a script so that my sales team can follow up with them. Okay, so let's go back to the workflow now by going to the Actions menu, choosing Return. Now I want to add some logic below after the second email in my workflow timeline. I want Act Marketing Automation to check to see whether people clicked the video link or not. So I'm going to click the email stage first, and then from the drop-down list, I'm going to insert an action after. And the type of action that I want to insert is going to be a decision stage. When I click Go, I need to define the type of decision. So for condition type, I don't want it to be that they simply opened the email. I want it to be that they clicked a specific URL in the email. So I'll select that, and then inside the second email, I want them to click the YouTube link that I provided. Once I have that set up, I can click Save. And if I want, I can name this decision stage to something like Clicked Video Link. Then I'll go to Actions again and click Save and Return. Okay, now we see a new type of stage on the workflow. It's a red diamond that has 2 branches, a yes branch and a no branch. So I need to decide what should happen if yes, they clicked the video link, or no, they did not. But first I need to determine how much time I will allow them to click the video link once the email has been sent. By default, it says wait 1 day, but I don't think that's enough time for my audience. So I'm going to click this arrow and I'm going to change it to wait 1 week. That should be more than enough time to give everyone a chance to read my email and click the video link. So after a week has passed, Act Marketing Automation will split everyone in this distribution into 2 groups. Those who clicked the video link, and then those who did not. I'm not concerned really with the people who didn't click the link, so I'm just going to let that campaign end for them. But for the yes branch, I want to perform an action. So I'm going to click the end stage, and I'm going to change the action type to a call action. There are lots of other actions that I could do here. I could create an opportunity in Act for each person who clicked the video link, or I could add them to a different group in my Act database, or even update one of the fields on their contact record. But I'd like to create a call so that my salesperson can call them and entice them to buy something else. So now this call action has appeared here, and I can click that to edit my call script. Now on this screen, I can assign a specific salesperson from my company to manage all of these calls, and then I can also provide a script so that the salesperson knows exactly what to say. I'll just paste my script in there, and then once I'm happy with that, I'll go to Actions and Save and Return. Now the last thing I have to do is remember to add an end step at the end of each branch. The campaign won't work unless there's an end step. So I'm going to click the call script one more time, and I'm going to insert an action after it. And the type of action I want is end. So I'll click Go. Now this rebuilds my workflow again, and now we can see I have an end step at the very end. So now my drip marketing campaign is ready to activate. I'm going to be guiding new customers to a video of one of my new products, and then I'll automatically assign a sales call for them if they've viewed the video. I hope you found this demo useful. These were just 2 basic examples of how to use drip marketing campaigns to nurture your leads or customers. And I hope it also gave you some insight into how useful a marketing automation tool can be for your business. If you'd like to learn more about marketing automation in general, we've created an ebook telling you everything you need to know about marketing automation and how it can help you grow your business. We're going to email this free ebook to you in the next few days. The tool I've used today in this demo is called Act Growth Suite. I've mentioned it once or twice, but if you're not familiar with it, Act is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform designed to help sales and marketing teams build relationships, maximize engagement, and drive business growth. Act is packed with features like the drip marketing campaigns that we've seen today, but also it's a comprehensive campaign management tool. You'll be able to send out several types of campaigns, from simple one-email blasts to full drip and nurture campaigns. It's got a powerful email template editor with over 25 pre-built templates that you can very easily customize. The website activity tracking feature is a fantastic way to monitor activity on your website or with lead forms. And with lead scoring, you can create a scoring system for your email efforts so that when people open your emails or click the links in your emails, you can see which contacts are the most responsive to your campaigns, allowing you to target them first with any follow-ups. Thank you once again for joining me on this presentation today. And if you need any additional information about drip marketing or Act, please give us a call at the numbers on this screen. Thanks again, and have a great day.